This is Pooka's first walk outdoors continued. That is to say, Pooka's first walk since I adopted her, for I don't know for certain if she has been on any outdoor walks prior to that. She was, of course, orphaned as a baby. I don't know if she was old enough for her little feet to be touching the ground yet or not. So, I've moved her out into the woods because, of course, well, she prefers to walk in the woods. And also my family has returned with the dogs. Not our dogs, but the small dogs that belong to my mom and brother. So, nonetheless, Pooka is better off not being around the dogs, and she seems to be really enjoying her little walk very much, actually. She has been sniffing lots of things, and as she does indoors, she's been running around in spurts, and then she'll stop running and kind of sniff around for a bit like she's doing right now. And she does not seem at all disturbed by the sounds and presence of people. And that, of course, is because she's gotten so used to people, because as an education possum, she needs to be used to seeing lots of different people, including kids and groups of people who might be exclaiming loudly about possums. Here she has found a nut and is eating it, which is totally shocking because I've tried to give her many kinds of nuts, and she has never wanted them. Look at that. Pooka of the wild. Yes, are you foraging? Oh, you're good at it. I think she's also eaten a few insects. You'll find lots of nuts this way. Loads of nut trees of all kinds through this part of the woods. In fact, it's one of the most chipmunky areas. I noticed this because when my dog Wunyo is here, this is his favorite place to sniff around for chipmunks, which is one of his favorite activities. And should I let her eat things in the wild? Well, my thinking is that she is technically a wild animal, and so certainly she should be allowed to engage her natural behaviors as much as she can within safety limits. And I suppose the worst thing that could happen is she might eat something and contract worms, but then again she gets fecals and she could be dewormed if that were to occur. So, yeah, I say she can eat all the nuts and bugs that she wants to. She certainly knows what she is looking for. We're twisted up a bit here, Pooka. Here. In this area that she's walking through right now, it's never really a creek, but sometimes, like in the spring, it will periodically fill with water, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit like a creek bed, but it's dry now, of course, because it's been a really dry year. Here she's noticing a stick. Hello, Pooka Possum. Here's something I'm not going to let you eat because it's a fungus. And I don't know. I don't know for sure if you know your fungi. I could trust natural selection, but let's not. Oh, here comes somebody, Pooka. Your ears start moving, huh? Who is it?